Okay, do you need some help with your work? How rude of you to do that. How dare you burp in my face. That is absolutely unacceptable behaviour of you to do that. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk away and just come back to you and repeat to you the same question that I'm going to repeat to you without you just burping in my face. Okay? Got it. Right, let's try that again. Right. Do you need some help with your work? Still rude of you to do that. Again, you just did that. How dare you broke my promise. Right, I'm gonna have to need a minute outside, and then you're going to have to stand outside as well after me. Okay? So now I'm gonna have to have a minute outside, all because of you. I do need to leave the room, all because of you.